X-ray Golf Sierra contact approach on 135.1. 135.1 Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra. Approach Cessna Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra 3,400 feet. Cessna Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra approach continuous planned. Altimeter tree 0.18. Approach Cessna Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra. Request clearance to transition Charlie airspace. Cessna Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra approach. Clear through the Charlie airspace. Cleared through Charlie airspace Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra. San Francisco Tower Cessna Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra 11 miles northeast to land.
Landing here.
Cessna Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra San Francisco Tower. Make straight in runway 19 right. Altimeter tree 0.17 wind calm.